Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to show battery percentage on INFINIX Hot 50. So first, it's not in the battery settings as you will usually find this on every other phone. So whenever you go into the battery and power saving, there is nothing about it. Now, this is a bit of a tricky one. You guys need to go to notifications and status bar, and here go to status bar. Now right here we have our status bar. As you guys can see, we got the hour, we got everything, and this is where we enable our battery percentage. So this is right here, as you guys can see. Now there is nothing else you can change, just the battery percentage right up top here. Now we got our percentage. Of course, if you guys want, you guys can also start using the widget. So this is how it would look like. But that's how you guys can easily enable the battery percentage. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.